Today I am going to example 12. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. This given polynomial, let us say that f of x must be like x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. What is given statement here? X plus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. Given polynomial, the name it as f of x, I will write. That is x plus 2 is a x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. X plus 2 is a factor of f of x. That means x plus 2 is a factor of f of x means that I have to write x plus 2 is must be equal to 0. That I will write x is equal to minus 2. This is my equation number 1. That means x is equal to minus 2. Substituting substituting in substituting in equation 1, then that implies x is equal to minus 2. Substituting in this given polynomial, that I will write as f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube plus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 cube, that means minus 8 plus 2 into minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 2, that will become 8 plus into minus minus 3 to 6 again 6. Minus 8 and plus 8 will be cancelled. After that, minus 6 and plus 6 will be cancelled. That means f of minus 2 is equal to 0. We will observe. Given remainder is must be equal to 0 means this given one is a factor of given polynomial. That I will write. So x plus 2 is a factor of x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. Factor of what is the f of x? X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Right. Now I am going to the next one. Find the value of a. Find the value of a if 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. Here we will observe in this one the highest degree polynomial. Let us say this is f of x, I will write that is f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. After I will take the another polynomial that I will take g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. What is the condition given means if 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k, that I will write if 2x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. This is a factor of f of x means that I will write this given polynomial is must be equal to 0. That is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. After this I have to replace 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2 will write. I will take this is equation number 1. That means x is equal to 3 by 2 substituting in equation 1 and that implies x substituting 3 by 2 we will get in this one 2x plus 3 is a factor of 2x cube plus 9x square plus x plus k means where f of x is must be equal to 0. Why? Because of 2x minus 3 is a factor. Already it is factor means given polynomial is must be equal to 0. Where x is 3 by 2 I write f of 3 by 2 is must be equal to 0. X I have to substitute into 3 by 2 and I will write 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. That means 2 into 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8, 9 into 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. That means 2 ones, 2 fours, remaining is 27 by 4 minus 81 by 4. Here also numerator and denominator can multiplied and divided by 2, 3 to 6, again 2 to 4 plus k is equal to 0. Both denominators are equal. 27 minus 81 plus 6 by 4 plus k is equal to 0. 21 plus 6 is 33 minus 81 plus 33 is 11 minus 30 is 8. After that, here given value is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. That means value is minus 48 by 4 plus k is equal to 0. 4 ones, 4 twelves, minus 12 plus k is equal to 0. Then k is must be equal to 12. This is the given value of k. Okay, now I am going to next one. will explain example 14. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of x power 10 minus 1 and x power 11 minus 1. That means I will write next problem, that is example 15. Factorize 3x square plus 11x plus 6. We will observe in this one. X minus 1 is a factor of x power 10 minus 1 and x power 11 minus 1. Here, first I will take that f of x is equal to x power 10 minus 1 and after I will take g of x is equal to x power 11 minus 1. What is the condition here? X minus 1 is a factor of x power 10 minus 1 and x power 11 minus 1 అంటే x minus 1 అనేది x power 10 minus 1 కి అదే విధంగా x power 11 minus 1 కి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుందా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. That means given polynomial can compare with the zero that I will take the zero of polynomial of x minus 1 that I will take x minus 1 is equal to 0, then that implies x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, right? Also I have to write the zero of x minus 1. The zero of x minus 1 is equal to 0, then that implies x is equal to 1. The zero of x minus 1. What do I have to write in this one? The zero of x minus 1 that I will write. The zero of x minus 1 I will write x minus 1 is equal to 0, then that implies x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, I have to substitute in equation 1 and equation 2 will get x is equal to 1, substituting in equation 1, then that implies when x I have to substitute with 1, that I will write f of 1 is equal to 1 power 10 minus 1. That means f of 1 is equal to 1 power 10 means 1. 1 minus 1 is becomes 0. That must be equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 0. The remainder is must be 0 means x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. That is I will write x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. After I will write x is equal to 1, substituting in equation 1, equation 2, then that implies. But how to substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 2? That I will write g of 1 is equal to 1 power 11 minus 1. 1 power 11 that must be equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here g of 1 is also 0. G of 1 is also 0 means that I will write x minus 1 is a factor of g of x. So we'll observe in this one x minus 1 is a factor of f of x and x minus 1 is a factor of g of x means x minus 1 is a factor of f of x and g of x, where f of x is must be x power 10 minus 1. After that g of x is must be written as x power 11 minus 1. This is also given problem. What is the given polynomial? The given polynomial is 3x square plus 11x plus 6. This is most important factorization. We will observe in this one. What is the form of given polynomial? Where given polynomial is 3x square plus 11x plus 11x plus 6. Here will satisfy two conditions. Here will satisfy two conditions. What is the two conditions means? I will write in the first condition. I will write in the first condition is at the middle one I will take. Here middle one I will take. There sum middle one will satisfy the sum. That means where I will take two numbers. One is p, another one is q. P plus q is must be equal to 11. After will satisfy first term and the last term. Their product that I will write. P into q that must be written as 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is 18. I will write 3 into 6 is 18. ఈ టూ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే అది ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ సాటిస్ఫైజేషన్ అన్నమాట. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ this will name it as this is p, this is q. p plus q is must be equal to 11. p plus q అనేది 11 కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. as well as p into q చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ వన్ లాస్ట్ వన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే అది 18 కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. ఓకే, we have to consider. I will write in this one where in this given 11 must be written as p plus q. When the given p plus q is must be equal to 11. After that, the product of 3 and 6. The product of 3 and 6, that means p into q is must be equal to where p is 3. After q is 6, 3 into 6 is 8. To satisfy in this one, I will write the factorization. This is the given condition of factorization. Once again, we will observe in this one where middle లో ఉండే టర్మ్ p plus q అనుకుంటే మిడిల్ లో ఉండే టర్మ్ 11 అవుతుందన్న. p plus q అనేది 11 కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ లో లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ లో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు p into q is equal to 3 into 6 is equal to 18 కి సాటిస్ఫై కావాలి. ఈ రెండిటిని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తేనే అది ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, I will write this is the condition. We will note them this one. Now I am going to the solution. 3x square plus 11x plus 6 we will write. We will observe in this one 3x square plus 11x plus 6. చూడన్నా అక్కడ మనం తీసుకునే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే 11 కావాలి, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 18 కావాలి. అయితే 18 యొక్క ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. 18 that must be written as 1 into 18. After will written as 1 into 18 is equal to 18. And also another one is 2 into 9 is 18. Another one is 3 into 6 is 18. There is no another factors in this one. We'll observe. Multiplication చేస్తే 18 రావాలి. Addition చేస్తే 11 వస్తేనే satisfy అయ్యేటట్టు. That means I will take 1 into 18 is 18. Here multiplication is satisfied. Here multiplication is satisfied. తర్వాత ఏం సాటిస్ఫై కావాలి అంటే addition satisfy కావాలి. Here one number is 1, another number is 18. 1 into 18 is 18. Multiplication will be satisfied. After we'll take their addition. 1 plus 18 is equal to 19. 1 plus 18 is equal to 19. Okay, this is first I will write their multiplication. First I will write their multiplication. After I will take their addition. We'll observe. 1 into 18 is equal to 18. After we'll take 1 plus 18 is equal to 19. Multiplication చేస్తే 18 వచ్చింది. Addition చేస్తే 19 వచ్చింది. When this condition is not satisfied. After we'll take the second condition. 2 into 9 is 18. Multiplication is satisfied. After we'll take the second one is 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Their addition is also satisfied. This condition is satisfied. After we'll take last condition is 3 into 6 is 18. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 does not satisfy. Here, satisfied is only this condition. అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 18 వచ్చింది, అడిషన్ చేస్తే 11 వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయింది. సెకండ్ కండిషన్ లో తీసుకున్న వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి అంటే కన్నా 1 2 ఇంకొకటి 9, 1 2 ఇంకొకటి 9. దట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ 3x square plus 11x plus 6, where first term is 3, last term is 6. 3 into 6 is 8. You will write this 18 is 3 into 6. Okay, we will satisfy. After I will take 2 and 9, then we will take 2. After we will take 9. Here we will observe. The sum of 2 plus 9 is must be equal to 11. When second condition also satisfied, that I will write 3x square plus 2x plus 9x plus 6. 2x plus 9x is equal to 11x. Will write here in this one x is common, remaining that will be written as 3x plus 2. In this given term 3 is common, remaining is 3x plus 2. We'll observe in this one 3x into x is 3x square, 2 into x is 2x, 3 into 3x is 9x, 3 to 6. If the both common term is 3x plus 2, remaining term is x plus 3. This is the given factorization. Will satisfy that condition. Will satisfy that condition. Now I am going to next to do this. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. The first one is 6x square plus 19x plus 15. Here will take. This is the value for p plus q. That means where p plus q is nothing but 90. After their product p into q is nothing but where p is 6. After that q is 15. 15 6 90. This is the other condition, right? We will take this 90. I will write the factors of 90. I will write the factors of 90. 90 that must be written as 1 into 90. Remaining 90 is equal to 2 into 45. After we will write 90 is equal to 3 into 30, 90 is equal to 90 by 4. 4 to 6 does not satisfy 5. 90 by 5, 5 ones 5, 5 eights 40. 4 into 5 into 18. After we'll take 6. 6 1 6, remaining 3. 6 5. Again we'll write 90 is equal to 15 into 6. 7 does not satisfy. 8 does not satisfy. 9 does not satisfy. 10. 9 into 10, that must be written as 90. These are the factors of 90. These are the factors of 90. If it satisfies their multiplication and addition, all are satisfies their multiplication. After we'll check it their addition. 1 plus 90 does not in 90. Do not take this one. 2 plus 45 is 47. Okay, మనకు కావాల్సింది 19. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ చేస్తేనా ఇక్కడ వచ్చేది 91 వస్తుంది. 1 plus 90 is equal to 91 does not satisfy. 2 plus 45 equal to 47. This is also not satisfied. After we'll take 3 plus 30 is equal to 33. This is also not satisfied. 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. This is also not satisfied. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. మనకు కావాల్సిన 19. ఇది కూడా satisfy కాదు. After we'll take 9 into 10 is equal to 90. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. మనకు కావాల్సింది కూడా 19. అంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన మల్టిప్లికేషన్ యొక్క ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాసుకుంటే మల్టిపుల్స్ రాసుకుంటే ఏదో ఒకటి కంపల్సరీగా సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ సాటిస్ఫై అయింది 9 into 10 is 90. ఆఫ్టర్ విల్ టేక్ 9 plus 10 is equal to 90. 9 plus 10 is equal to 90. Both will be satisfied. That I will write 6x square plus 19x plus 15. This will be written as 6x square plus 9x plus 10x plus 15. Will write 6x square plus 9x plus 10x plus 15. I will write. There in this one we will common with 3x is common. Remaining I will write 2x plus 3. We'll observe in this one 3 to 6. X into x will become x square. 3 3 is 9. 9 into x is 9x. In this one I will common with the 5x. 5 is common, that I will written as 2x plus 3. Observe. 5 2 is 10. 10 into x is 10x. 5 3 is 15. Here the common term is 2x plus 3. Remaining I will write 3x plus 5. This is the given factorization of polynomial. Let's do this. Now I am going to the next problem. Second problem is this. Do this. That is 10m square. 10m square minus 31m minus 132. 10m square minus 31m minus 132. Okay, Nana, we'll observe in this one. First I will take, this is the value of p plus q, will write Where middle one I will write. Where given P plus Q is must be equal to minus 31. After we'll write their product, where product P into Q that must be written as 10 into minus 132, that will be written as minus 1320. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ నేను ఏం రాస్తాను అంటే I will write their solution 10m square minus 31m minus 132. First I will write their product. 10 into minus 132 is minus 1220 I will write. But we have to write in this one minus 55 plus 24 will take minus 55 into 24 will take. That means minus 55 into 24 is 1320. I will multiply that one. 24 into 55, 5 4s 20, again 5 2s 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. After we will take 120, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1320 will satisfy. After we will take minus 55 plus 24 will get minus 55 plus 24 will get minus 55 plus 24 చేస్తానన్నా మనకు వచ్చేది minus 31. This is satisfies their product. This is satisfies their addition. Both will be satisfied. I will write this one nm square minus 55m plus 24m minus 132. In this one, I will common with 5m is common, remaining is 2m minus 11. After in this one, I will common with where 12 is common. 12 to 24. 12 into 11 will become 132. You will observe 12 into 11. And the last digit is 2. First digit is 1. 1 plus 2 will become 3. That is the value 132. In this both terms, the common term is 2m minus 11 into remaining is 5m plus 12. That is the factorization of given one. Now I am going to last one. That is now I am going to third one. 12x square plus 11x plus 2 will write. In this one, we'll take middle one. I will take p plus q. P plus q will take 11. After we'll take the other condition, that is p into q will take here the product of first term and the last term. I will write as 12 into 2, 12 into 2 that must be written as 24. Here their given product is 24. Their addition will satisfy 11. I will write their product is 24. 24 multiplication satisfy kavali. After that their addition will satisfy 11. We will take what is the number 24. That must be take 1 into 12. I'm sorry, 1 into 24. 1 into 24 is 24. 1 plus 24 nothing but 11. This is not satisfied. After we take the second one, 2 into 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Their multiplication is satisfied. 12 plus 2 is 14. Here will become 11 only. This is is also nothing to satisfy. After we'll take 3 into 8. 3 into 8. 3 8 24. Where multiplication is satisfies. 3 plus 8 must be 11. Okay, where addition will also satisfies. That I will write. This is 3. This is 8. Will write. This is 3. This is 8. Will write. That means the solution I have to write. 1x square plus 3x plus 8x. Remaining I will write 2. This one I will common with the 3x. Remaining is 4x plus 1. I will common with the 2. Remaining is 4x plus 1. Once again we will observe in this one. 3 4 12. X into x will become x square. 3x into 1 is 3x. 2 into 4x is 8x. 2 1 0 2. That I will write. 4x plus 1 into remaining is 3x plus 2 will write. Okay, Rana. Now I am going to next problem. Example 16 I will write. Verify whether 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2 are not. How can you verify using Cactus theorem? Cactus theorem. Okay, Nana? Verify whether plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2 or not. How can verify by using factors theorem? Factors theorem. That I will write given polynomial. Let us take f of x. Then f of x must be take 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. I will write this is the equation number 1. After we take another polynomial is g of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. We have to write g of x. Where g of x will take x square minus 3x plus 2. We will satisfy their factors. Here p plus q will take the middle term, where middle term is minus 3, and also p into q will satisfy first term into last term. The coefficient of x square is 1. After that, constant is 2. That I will write 1 into 2 is equal to 2. I will take 2. This is the multiplication. After we will take the addition. Addition will satisfy minus 3. That means I will take minus 2 minus 1. Minus into minus will become plus. After that, 2 into 1 is 2. Further, we will take minus 2 plus of minus 1 will become minus 3. We will satisfy the number. One is minus 2, another one is minus 1. I will write this one. G of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. I will write where x is common, remaining is x minus 2. Where minus 1 is common, remaining is x minus 2. That is the common factor is x minus 2, remaining is x minus 1. And I will write x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is the value of g of x. We will take x minus 1. First I will take x minus 1. That means the 0 of x minus 1 is the 0 of x minus 1 will written as the 0 of x minus 1 will become x minus 1 is must be equal to 0. After that, x is equal to 1. The 0 of x minus 1 is the 0 of x minus 1 means given x minus 1 is must be equal to 0. That is x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Substituting in equation 1. That I will write f of 1 is must be written as 2 into 1 power 4 minus 6 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Right. 2 into 1 power 4 is 2. 6 into 1 cube is 6. 3 into 1 square is 3. After that, 3 ones 3. Remaining is minus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. Remaining is minus 6 plus 6. Both will be cancelled. The remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0 means x minus 1 is a x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. After we'll take another one. I will write the second one is the 0 of second one will take x minus 2. The 0 of x minus 2 that I will write x minus 2 is must be equal to 0. X minus 2 is must be equal to 0 means that I will write x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2 substituting in equation 2. X is equal to 2 substituting in equation 2 means that I will written as f of 2 that must be written as x we have replaced with 2 that I will write 2 into 2 power 4 minus 6 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 2 I will write. That means 2 into 2 power 4 is 16. 6 into 2 cube is 8. 3 into 2 square is 4. 3 to 6 minus 2. And I will write 16 to 32. 6 8 48. 3 4 12 plus 6 minus 2. That means 32 plus 12 is 32 plus 12 is 44. 44 plus 6 is 50. Minus 48 minus 2 is 50. 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. That is f of 2 is equal to 0. F of 2 is equal to 0 means x minus 2 is a. X minus 2 is a factor of f of x. We will observe in this one. X minus 1 is also factor of f of x. Later it was x minus 2 is also factor of f of x means finally x minus 1 into x minus 2 that will become g of x. So when g of x is x minus 1 and x minus 2, that I will write. So x minus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of f of x. This is given asking problem. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to next example problem. That is last example problem. Tomorrow I am going to exercise 2.4. Factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. X cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. అన్నా మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మీరు ఇంతవరకు ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేసిన పాలినామియల్ యొక్క డిగ్రీ ఓన్లీ 2 నే ఉన్నది, కానీ ఇప్పుడు 3 లలో వచ్చింది. వీళ్ళల్లో వస్తే ఎలా చేయాలో ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఇచ్చిన పాలినామియల్ f of x అని తీసుకుంటాడా, let us take f of x must be written as x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. I will write. Okay, if you satisfies any value in this one, that means let us take, let x will take 1 and that implies f of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 23 into 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. That means 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into 23 is 23, remaining is 142 minus 120. 1 plus 142 will become 143 minus 120 minus 23 is minus 43. The remainder will be f of 1 is must be 0 means x is equal to 1. This value becomes this side. X minus 1 is a factor of f of x. X minus 1 is a factor of f of x means by using division algorithm will take x will take 1. I will write their values. The coefficient of x cube is 1. After that, the coefficient of x square is minus 23. After we'll take the coefficient of x is 142. Remaining is minus 120 will take. We'll observe in this one. Cube, square, 1 constant. Okay, ఇచ్చిన పాలినామియల్ యొక్క ఆర్డర్ కూడా సేమ్ ఉందనా? మిడిల్ లో ఏ యొక్క స్క్వేర్ కూడా స్ప్లిట్ కాలేదు. డిగ్రీ 3 తర్వాత డిగ్రీ 2 ఉంది, డిగ్రీ 2 తర్వాత డిగ్రీ 1 ఉంది, తర్వాత కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ I will take the blank in this place. 1 we have to write in this place 1. ఏడు ఉంటే ఏడు అదే రాసుకోవాలి. దాని తర్వాత దీన్ని దీంతో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. 1 into 1 will become 1. minus 23 లో నుంచి ప్లస్ 1 ను సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుందంటే minus 22 ఉంటుంది. దాని తర్వాత ఈ 1 ను 22 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తాం. 1 into minus 22 is minus 22. minus 142 లో నుంచి 22 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 120 ఉంటుంది. remaining 1 into 120 is 120. minus 120 and plus 120 will be cancelled, remaining is 1. ఉండే ఒక డిగ్రీ x క్యూబ్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఒక టర్మ్ వచ్చేసింది. ఏంటయ్యా అంటే అది x, that means x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1 వచ్చింది అంటే దాన్ని ప్లస్ 1 ఇటు సైడ్ కి వెళ్తే x minus 1 రాయొచ్చు. అంటే ఈ యొక్క డిగ్రీ x క్యూబ్ లో ఒక x పోయింది అంటే రిమైనింగ్ x స్క్వేర్ ఉంటది. 1 into x square that x will written as 22x. Later it was written as plus 120. We have to factorize in this one. That means x square minus 22x plus 120 will write. Here the middle term will take minus 22. That I will take p plus q will take minus 22. Later it was the product p into q will take, where p is 1, q is 120. 1 into 120 is 120. Okay, we will take the number 120 when will satisfy the multiplication. After one is addition. Their addition is minus 22. What is the satisfies of given polynomial means that I will take? Minus 12 and minus 10 will take, where minus into minus will become plus. 12 into 10 is 120. After we will observe in this one, minus 12 minus 10 is minus 22. That will be written as x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120 will take. In this one, where x is common, remaining is x minus 2. Minus 10 is common, remaining is x minus 12. X into x will become x square. minus 12 into x is 12x, minus 10 into x is 10x, minus into minus will become plus, 10 into 2 is 10 into 12 is 120, and the common term is x minus 12, remaining is x minus 10. That means I will write in this place x square minus 22x minus plus 120, that will be written as x minus 10 into x minus 12, before term is x minus 1. Finally, I will write in this one x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120 will be written as, what is their factorization? That is x minus 1 into x minus 10 into x minus 12 will write. This is the given factorization of a polynomial. This is most important for 4 marks. Okay, Nana, see you next class.